In this video, you will learn how to host an API on Hostinger, prepare your API project, make sure your API is production ready by testing it locally and setting up environmental log into your Hostinger account, access your hPanel dashboard where you will manage your hosting environment, choose Node.js, hosting or VPS. Since your APIs need server-side execution, set up a node hosting on shared hosting or use a VPS plan for more control. Upload your API files. Use a file manager or FTP client to upload your API project files to your hosting website. Install dependencies and configurations. Open the terminal in the hPanel, then navigate to your project folder. Then run npm install to install dependencies. Configure your env file with your database credentials or API key. Start your API and test. Set up your start script in Hostinger's Node App Manager. Then test your API endpoint in the browser with the tools like Postman. Now you know how to host your API on Hostinger. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.